Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to express my opinion on the Indonesian versus Bahrain World Cup qualification match on March 23, 2025. The match was very intense with players from both countries displaying high skill and professionals. However, during the game, Indonesia started to struggle against Bahrain because the Bahraini players began engaging in what I consider unfair play. They frequently staged dramatic acts and faked injuries, leading the Indonesian players to receive continuous yellow cards and fouls from the referee. Due to this, Indonesia could only manage to score one goal, but thankfully Indonesia won the match with a score of 1-0. The matter did not stop there. Indonesian citizens were frustrated by the Bahrain player antics, began public critique and hujat, slamming, verbal attacking Bahrain on the internet, including on platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and others. As a football enthusiast, I also felt extremely annoyed in critique Bahrain on social media. Like other netizens, I also expressed my frustration at how the Bahrain players were dramatic, acting injured even where they were only likely touch. For example, I critiqued them by saying something like, "What is wrong with these Bahrain players? Do they not have a bloody or something? They fall down over just a slight touch." That's basically the kind of critique I posted. In short, I was genuinely angry at the time and chose to critique Bahrain. Thank you for listening to my opinion. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain about the simple present tense, its definition, formula, example, and how to use it in daily life. Simple present tense. Definition: simple present tense is used to express 1. Facts or general truths. 2. Habits or routines. 3. Secondary events. 4. Feelings or opinion. Example sentence: 1. The sun rises in the east. 2. I study English every day. Positive sentence: subject plus verb 1 is or is plus object. Subject: I or you or we or they, he or she or it. Verb: use base form adds or is. Example: I play football. She plays football. Remember, adds or is for singular subject like he, she, it. Negative sentence: subject plus do or does plus not plus verb 1 plus subject. Subject: I or you or we or they, he or she or it. Auxiliary: do not or don't not or don't. Example: I don't like coffee. He don't eat rice. Interrogative sentence: do or does plus subject plus verb 1 plus object. Example: do you like milk? Does she play the piano? Start with do or does to make a question. Time expression: common time expression used with simple present tense. Every day, always, usually, often, sometimes, never, on Mondays or in the morning. Example: I always wake up at 6. Positive examples: 1. I go to school by bus. 2. She loves chocolate. 3. She loves chocolate. 4. They work in a bank. 5. The sunrise in the east. Negative examples. I don't watch TV at night. He don't read newspaper. She loves chocolate. They don't play football. Remember to use don'ts for he or she or it. Interrogative example. Do you like pizza? Does he drive to work? Do they play guitar? You do or does at the beginning of the question. Grammar reminder. Add s or s to verb when the subject is he or she or it. Use do in plural subject. So use don'ts with singular subject. Example, she studies hard. Verb tense. Base verb. Play, go study. He or she or it home. Plays, goes, studies. Example, she plays guitar. He goes to school. He study math. Common mistakes. He go to school every day. False. He goes to school every day. True. She don't like milk. False. She don't like milk. True. Be careful with verbs and auxiliaries. Simple present in daily conversation. We use simple present in everyday communication such as 1. Greeting others, how are you, or I feel great. 2. Talking about hobbies, I like reading books. 3. Describing routines, I wake up at 6. 4. Expressing opinions, I think English is important. This tense help you express simple ideas clearly in English. Adverbs of frequency in simple present. Adverbs of frequency sound often an action happens common words. Always 100%, usually 80%, often 60%, sometimes 40%, rarely 20%, never 0%. Example, I always eat breakfast. She often goes to library. They never watch horror movie. Real life example, my mom cooks breakfast every morning. 2. Students study English and BSI University. 3. The library opens at 8. The library often at 8. 5. I brush my teeth twice a day. Simple present in facts. Example of general truths. Water boils at 100 Celsius. 2. The earth is round. 3. The moon moves around the earth. 4. The sun rises in the east. Simple present in routines. Examples of daily routines. 1. I wake up at 6 past. 2. I take a shower in the morning. 3. I go to campus at 8 past. 4. I study English every day. Simple present in feelings. Example, I like music. 2. She loves haircut. 3. They cat loud noise. 4. We enjoy learning English. Summary. Used for habits, facts, and routines. True. Add s or is for he or she or it. True. Use do or do's for negatives and question. True. Use time expression like always, usually, every day. True. Now you can make your own sentence in simple present tense. Thank you.